human body has a lot of muscles and joints. The whole world is designed for humans. We are very used to actually move our body in a very coordinated manner, but it's not true for robots. Hey, Apollo. The kids are going to do some sport today. Could you help them to pack?
I see on the calendar that Jesse has a pickleball match at 2 p.m. and Jeremy has a baseball game at 4 p.m. Let's get started.
The Gemini Robotics embodied reasoning model can understand the world, understand what it sees, understand the natural language instructions. Then it's going to call the VOA, Vision Language Action Model, to control the robot to generate the actions in order to accomplish this more complex task. So the robot needs to coordinate all the joints and the actuators from feet to fingertip while maintaining balance. If it's leaning more forward and is about to tip, then it needs to push the legs backwards. And all these things need to happen in a fraction of the second. Even though this feels a very simple task for us, for robots, it needs to make many decisions across the entire body to achieve this. So we really want to demonstrate that robot is general and can sort of navigate on this cluttered environment and pick out the right object and put them into the right place. Sometimes it fails, and it recognizes these failures and then try again.
Now I will retrieve Jesse's pickleball paddle from the middle shelf. I have finished packing. Is there anything else you need help with?
Can I throw you one more challenge?
I am absolutely ready for you to throw me one more challenge, so please let me know what it is.
I just put a tote bag on the floor to your left. Can you search for it and pick it up and place it on the table? I'm going to stress test the reactivity of the robot. The vision we have is to develop a generalist robot to do a lot more useful tasks in the real world. Whole body control is a necessity to achieve that goal. I'm super excited about robotics. I think it's moving really fast, and AI is really the missing piece of the entire robotics puzzle.